Hey, homeschoolers, are you wondering how AI can make homeschooling easier, or are you concerned about using it? In either case, I have you covered. I have been using AI more and more in my business and personal life. I talk to people who are confused or curious about it, so I thought it would be fun to create a podcast on the topic using AI as much as possible to create the episode. AI generated the title, the script, and the B roll or background video for the YouTube version you can check out at youtube.com/Melanie Wilson. Just an aside that Melanie is spelled Melanie and not melon with a Y, which is Chick-fil-A's favorite spelling. In this episode, I'll be sharing the top 3 misconceptions about AI, the top 3 advantages of using AI in your homeschool, and the top 10 ways homeschoolers are incorporating AI. Finally, I'll share a day in the life of a homeschooled student before and after AI. The script has been generated by AI, but I'll be adding my commentary. I'll be mentioning many tools that you can find in the show notes at homeschoolsanity.com/AI. Before we get started, I'd like to thank CTC Math for sponsoring the podcast. Learn more at ctcmath.com. First, the top 3 misconceptions about AI. First, AI thinks like a human. The misconception is that AI has independent thoughts, emotions, and consciousness like a human brain. I suspect, and this is me talking, that a lot of the movies we have seen, Terminator, I'm looking at you, has given us this idea. The reality is that AI processes data and follows patterns, but does not think or understand in a human way. It analyzes information and generates responses based on patterns, not personal experiences or emotions. Number 2 in misconceptions, AI is 100% accurate and objective. The misconception is that AI always provides correct, unbiased information. The reality, AI models are trained on human-created data, which can include biases and inaccuracies. AI can also generate errors or misleading information, so users should fact check its responses. The third misconception is AI will replace humans completely. The misconception is that AI will take over all jobs, leaving humans with nothing to do. The reality, AI automates repetitive tasks, but still requires human oversight, creativity, and ethical decision making. Instead of replacing people, AI is more likely to enhance productivity and create new job opportunities. As an example, AI did not generate this podcast topic on its own. I asked it to create this script. In summary, AI is a powerful tool, but it's important to use it wisely and understand its limitations. So now that we have covered those limitations and some of the misconceptions, let's talk about the advantages of using AI in your homeschool. First, personalized learning for every child. AI adapts to your child's unique learning style, pace, and strengths. It can provide extra practice in weak areas or accelerate lessons for advanced learners. AI-powered tutors and lesson generators make customized education easier for parents. Number 2, AI saves time for parents. AI can generate lesson plans, quizzes, and worksheets in minutes. It helps with grading, scheduling, and organizing learning materials. Parents can focus more on teaching and engaging with their kids instead of spending hours on prep work. Number 3 in advantages, AI makes learning more engaging. AI-powered interactive lessons, virtual field trips, and educational games make learning fun. Kids can use AI tools for creative projects like storytelling, coding, and science simulations. It introduces students to real-world tech skills they'll use in the future. AI is not a replacement for hands-on homeschooling, but it's a powerful tool that makes learning more efficient, personalized, and engaging. In summary of the advantages, AI is becoming a valuable tool for homeschoolers, helping parents and students with learning, organization, and creativity. So now, here are the top 10 ways homeschoolers are using AI. Number 1, personalized learning plans. AI-powered tools help create customized lesson plans and adapt to a child's learning pace, strengths, and weaknesses. I asked ChatGPT for example tools, and it suggested CurryPod, MagicSchool.ai, and LessonPlans.ai. Homeschool-specific options include Homeschool Panda and ScribeList.ai. The second way homeschoolers are using AI is as AI tutors and for homework help. Apps like ChatGPT, Khan Academy's Khanmigo, and Google Socratic provide instant explanations, answer questions, and guide students through tough concepts. If you use an AI search that provides video options, and this is me speaking, you're going to want to look for the option that is the clearest for your student. The third way homeschoolers are using AI is for writing assistance and as grammar checkers. AI tools like Grammarly, Pro Writing Aid, and ChatGPT help students improve their writing by checking grammar, suggesting better word choices, and even generating essay outlines. This is me again. A basic understanding of grammar and writing is necessary to make best use of these tools. That's why we still want to teach our kids language arts with curricula like Grammar Galaxy and Fast Grammar. The fourth way homeschoolers are using AI is for generating lesson plans and activities. Homeschool parents use AI to create worksheets, quizzes, discussion questions, and interactive activities tailored to their curriculum. You're going to have to edit the options you get, me again. Some of them are dry, repetitive, or just not appropriate for your student's level. The fifth way that homeschoolers are using AI is in enhancing the creativity of projects. AI helps generate creative writing prompts, story ideas, art inspiration, and even music compositions for homeschool assignments. I personally often combine a couple of ideas I get from AI for the best results. The sixth way that homeschoolers are incorporating AI is with foreign language learning. AI-based apps like Duolingo, Google Translate, and again, ChatGPT help homeschoolers practice new languages through interactive conversations and instant translations. Number 7 in ways that homeschoolers are incorporating AI is with STEM learning and coding. AI-driven platforms like Scratch, Code.org, and AI-assisted coding tutors help kids learn programming, robotics, and problem-solving skills. The eighth way that homeschoolers are incorporating AI is with time management and scheduling. AI planners like Notion, Trello, and homeschool-specific apps assist parents in organizing lesson schedules, setting reminders, and tracking progress. The ninth way that homeschoolers are incorporating AI is with virtual field trips and research assistance. AI-powered search tools, and I'm just going to interject here that Even if you're only Googling something, you are using an AI-powered search tool. Many times you will see at the top of your search results an AI-generated summary of the results. So those search tools and virtual tours let students explore historical sites, outer space, and museums without leaving home. 3 sites to try, generated by AI, are Google Arts and Culture, Smithsonian Learning Lab, and Monterey Bay Aquarium live cams. And the 10th way that homeschoolers are incorporating AI is with educational game creation. AI-powered platforms allow parents and students to generate custom quizzes, flashcards, and even board games to make learning fun. I'm suggesting that you keep track of common errors your students are making so that you can generate some of these learning helps. Some tools to try include Quizlet, Kahoot, WordWall, and Anki Web. That's ANKI Web. AI is making homeschooling more efficient, interactive, and tailored to each child's unique learning style. So now let's talk about a day in the life of a homeschooled student before and after AI. So before AI, this is what a typical day without AI might look like. 8 a.m., morning routine and planning. Mom spends an hour organizing lessons and printing worksheets. I really hope you're not spending that much time organizing lessons and printing worksheets, but we'll go with it. The student struggles to find motivation and takes a while to start work. That sounds realistic to me. 9 a.m. math lesson. Mom explains a new concept, fractions, but the student still doesn't quite get it. They spend extra time searching for explanations in a textbook. 10 a.m. writing assignment. The student gets frustrated trying to come up with ideas for an essay. Mom gives suggestions, but the process is slow. That does sound realistic to me. 11 a.m. science experiment. They set up an experiment, but it's hard to predict results without extra research. Mom looks up additional explanations online to clarify the lesson. 12 p.m. lunch and break. 1 p.m. history and research. The student needs to research ancient Egypt, but struggles to sift through articles online. Mom helps find reliable sources, which takes extra time. 2 p.m. reading and comprehension. The student reads a book, but struggles to summarize it in writing. Mom helps guide them through comprehension questions. 3 p.m. wrap up and chores. The student finishes the day, but still feels tired from all the extra searching and struggles. So that is how AI is characterizing a homeschool day before the incorporation of AI tools. So now let's read a description of after this same homeschool family incorporates AI for a more efficient and engaging homeschool day. 8 a.m. morning routine and AI assisted planning. AI generates a daily lesson plan based on the student's progress. The student logs into a homeschool planner that suggests activities and schedules breaks. 9 a.m. math lesson with AI tutor. The student uses an AI-powered math app that explains fractions step by step. If they don't understand, the AI provides another explanation or practice problems. 10 a.m. writing assignment with AI help. The student uses an AI writing assistant to generate topic ideas and an outline. They still write the essay, but AI helps refine sentences and check grammar. 11 a.m. science exploration. AI provides an interactive simulation of the experiment before they do it. The student predicts results more confidently and understands the science better. 12 p.m., lunch and break. Notice that doesn't change. 1 p.m., history and research with AI. Instead of searching the entire internet, AI summarizes key facts about ancient Egypt. AI suggests primary sources and interactive videos to deepen understanding. 2 p.m., reading and comprehension. The student reads a book and uses AI to generate comprehension questions. AI summarizes the book's key points, helping the student understand it better. 3 p.m., wrap up and independent study. AI suggests a fun educational game based on what they learned that day. The student ends the day feeling accomplished and less frustrated. The big difference, AI says, faster learning. AI speeds up research, explanations, and assignments. More engagement. Interactive AI tools make subjects more interesting. And finally, less stress. Mom spends less time prepping and the student works more independently. AI doesn't replace homeschooling, it enhances it, giving parents more time for meaningful teaching and connection. Okay, that's the end of AI's podcast notes. I have to say that I am impressed and excited about the benefits of using AI in homeschooling. What do you think? Thanks again to CTC Math for their sponsorship. Again, you can find the links on the show notes page at homeschoolsanity.com/AI. Have a happy homeschool week.